Hey, welcome back. So today, yes, if it looks like I'm out in the middle of the forest, that's exactly where I am. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a tree trimming project on the trail. So this kind of shows a bad example of a tree not being cut back far enough. It's not bad, but if somebody didn't see this in the shade, which you can tell right there that the tree is practically invisible, it really should be cut back further. So that's what we're going to do today, and I just want to show some various examples along this trail of how trees have not been trimmed back as far as they should be. So on the back of my DRZ 400 I have a steel MS-250 chainsaw. So here we are, completed project. Lots of space now. We've got about 3 feet between the edge of the trail and that tree. So we'll motor on down the trail and take a look at a couple more. Now this one here, there's a piece that somebody should have moved further off the trail, so I'm going to pick that piece up and move it. Here's another good example of one that's completely hidden behind some brush. It is right there. So if somebody came down this hill or even up, it was just a little off to one side, they could easily catch the foot peg on that log right there. So we're going to cut that one back probably about right here somewhere. This one needs to be cut off too. That is probably only about 18 inches off the side of the trail. And if somebody came around that corner a little bit fast, they could easily get a little sideways and same thing, hit their foot peg on that. back around this little corner here, I saw another issue that I needed to take care of. I shaved that off on the edge a little bit. Here's another area that could use just a little bit of work. These don't present too much of an issue on this side, although they aren't cut back to the normal standard of at least 3 feet off the trail. These definitely need some work. Everything up here looks okay for a little ways. Coming down this trail in certain lighting conditions, those would completely disappear in the shade. Since I was here with the saw, I went ahead and cut those out a little bit too, so you can see how much more room we have. That is easily 3 foot off the trail. And the other key is toss your pieces that you cut out off the trail as well. Well, I think that wraps up my trail clearing project today. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any suggestions or ideas on how you clear trail, or tell me what kind of a saw you use. I do also carry a little hand saw for cutting off small stuff when I come across that kind of stuff in the trail. So I'm going to pick that piece up and move it.